But tell me where you're going to.
America. I got the Toy Master.
Toy Master, you finally got. Come,
Yes.
tell me what happened. How?
So behind the exhaust fan, oh, I had seen the Toy Master, and I was hoping that he doesn't go because when I go out, I would have catch him.
Sophie is a spy, is what she claims. She is a spy of the agency which is CTIA. What was the full form?
Central
Central Toy
Intelligence
Agency. And there is this Toy Master whom she has to catch because as a spy, that's her duty to catch the Toy Master. So she was out on a mission, which you all saw, and now she claims that she has caught the Toy Master. But where is the Toy Master?
Toy Jail.
You already put him in the toy jail. But it's raining outside. How did you manage to do that?
Toy police came in the range and took him.
अरे वाह, गुड, आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू. ये देखो हमारा गर्मा गर्म रोटी विद बटर एंड चाय. आज हमें दूध नहीं पीना था, आज ऐसा मन किया चाय पीने का बिकॉज वैसे ही बारिश हो रही है तो सोचा मस्त गर्मा गर्म चाय पी लेंगे विथ नाइस गर्मा गर्म रोटी, उसके ऊपर बटर डाल के. तो अब हम करेंगे नाश्ता. सोफी को तो मैंने नहला के फ्रेशन अप कर लिया है, मेरा फ्रेशन अप होना बाकी है. तो वो करके मैं आगे के दिन कैसे निकलता है मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. आप लोग भी पी लो गर्मा गर्म चाय मेरा देख के, अगर हो सके तो. ये हो गया चाय. So I was showing Sophie the YouTube video I uploaded today. मैंने आज पिछले संडे का व्लॉग अपलोड किया. दैट्स बिकॉज ये पूरा वीक आई वाज अपलोडिंग द मैटर्निटी फोटोशूट वीडियोज़. सो वो वाला वीडियो डिले हो गया थोड़ा. एंड आई वाज रीडिंग आउट द कमेंट्स टू सोफी and we felt so good reading the comments on the Sunday vlog video where I shared about my husband's journey as a cook, home cook, that he is getting better at and becoming quite an expert actually. So बस वही मैं सोफ़ी को दिखा रही थी and we were enjoying our breakfast time with watching that video as well as reading your comments. So keep commenting on the videos guys, I really like it. Shows the effort that you're putting in also to watch my stuff, and it also gives me that happiness that okay, people are appreciating whatever I am trying to show on YouTube. So thank you so much for all those who comment and constantly watch my videos. फटाफट से घर का काम करना है. नाश्ता हो गया, पेट पूजा हो गया. सो आई हैव गॉट द एनर्जी आई नीड. मुझे घर को फटाफट रीसेट करना है. आई नीड टू हैव अ बाथ. वो करने के बाद वी विल मूव ऑन टू मेकिंग लंच. आज का स्केड्यूल वैसे सैटरडे के दिन सोफ़ी के लिए थोड़ा बिजी रहने वाला है. शी इज़ गॉट 2 क्लासेस दैट शी इज सपोज टू अटेंड. दीज आर एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़. सो मैं आपको दिखा दूंगी क्या है वो.
So some are these.
Oh wow, they are from Kidzania. Okay, nice.
And these are some old notes which you all have not seen before.
Show them then. Nice antique pieces.
One
Wow.
note,
1
note.
rupee.
Now it's all coins.
Now there are all coins. Very
Yes.
good. 2. This is the 5. I'm sure some people will have these kind of old notes. I remember these notes when I was a small little girl.
And this is 20 rupees note.
Yeah. We have a 20 rupee note now also, no?
Yes, but not
This
like
is the old one, yeah. All the 2000 notes, right? So this is the 2000 denomination. These are all 1 rupee note. Like that, you've made sets and kept. Okay. Now what will you do is, first we'll count the big notes. Okay. Small notes we can easily add. The big ones. So 2000. Okay. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So 2 3s are
6.
6. So this will become how much?
6,000.
Very good. So 6,000. Okay. Now what is the next big note?
500.
So 6,000.
500.
6,500. Then the next big note,
Oh, 5.
200. So 5 plus 2,
5 plus.
sorry, I'm sorry. Again we'll do. This is 6,000. These are thousands. So remember your units, tens, thousands, right?
10,000.
Yes, unit, tens, 100,000. So these are thousands, so keep thousands aside. Now let's add all the hundreds.
100.
Okay, so this is 500. 5 plus
2.
200 is how much?
Okay.
So instead of doing 500 plus 200, do 5 plus 2.
Okay. 500. My mind's got 5, 6, 7.
700. Okay.
700.
This is also 100. So 7
700
plus 1.
7 plus 1 is 8.
800. So all the hundreds, we are done with all the hundreds.
Yes.
So 800. So this is 6000. This is 800. Now all the tens. How many tens we've got? We've got 50, we've got 20, we've got tens. So let's go with the big number. 5.
5 plus 2.
Is
7.
7. 7 plus 10.
1, 2,
7
3.
plus 1.
7 plus
7.
1.
5 plus 2 is 7, which means this is 70.
70.
70 plus 10.
7 plus 1.
70 plus 10 or 7 plus 1. It will give you the same.
80.
80, correct. 80 plus 10.
90.
90 plus 10.
100.
Superb. So these are 100. This is actually 100.
100.
Correct. So 6000. This was how much? 800.
800.
This is 100.
100.
So 800 plus 100 will make it
800 plus 100 will be 900.
900. So basically you've got 6900.
6,900.
Okay. Now these are all the units. So let's count with 5. You know your 5 times table?
Yes. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 25, 5
5 fours are 25. Again.
I mean
5 ones are 5.
5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25.
Superb. So this is
25.
25 plus 2.
2 plus 2 is 4.
25 plus 2.
Okay.
25 plus 2. 25.
26, 27.
27. Now these are all ones. So
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 27 plus 7.
27.
7 in your mind. 27 plus 7.
27, 28, 29, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
34 rupees. This is how much?
4.
34 rupees. So 6,934.
34.
Did you need a calculator?
No.
Mama, I need a calculator. I need a calculator. In exams, you will not get a calculator. Understood? How to
So
count?
it's,
So remember to count your thousands, to count your hundreds, to count your tens and
then
your
1.
units. Ones, yes.
So I have 6,900 and what was this again?
34.
34.
Wow, give me some money, no?
Yes. That's what
Will this work what in the show?
No.
Chalo, now you play. I'll fatafat do all the housework, okay?
I'll keep it properly.
Now you keep it properly and let me also do your hair. Your hair is a mess. Clean your hair also. Do your hair also and clean the house also, okay?
So 2,000. Spot the difference.
These are 2 eggs that I'm keeping for Sophie to boil. But before I put it for boiling, I wanted to show you all. Look at the difference in size. This is the normal egg, but this one is like, I think,
Gigantic.
yeah, gigantic. What do you?
Gigantic.
Gigantic.
Gi-
Gigantic. No.
Gigantic.
Gigantic. We'll Google this. I need to know what's the pronunciation. Anyway,
Gigantic.
so see this. The big egg. It's like a giant.
Yes.
Yeah, see the difference. You can record the difference, Sophie. Coming
Yes.
properly.
Yes. And this the gigantic egg is a little pointy than the
Pointed
normal
towards-
egg.
Yeah. Okay, anyways. I hope it is tasty also.
Yes.
So I got Sophie to settle all her hair accessories, keep them in place as I just got her hair done. So she's doing that. And at the same time, after this, I also made her do some studies. So we started the day with doing mathematics. I thought, why not revise her tables from 13 to 15? So she's doing that, and here's me peeping through the kitchen to make sure she's doing her work. Now she's all ready for her dance class, and I've given her the boiled eggs so that she can have something before she starts her class. So while she is doing her dance practice, I am now getting the lunch prepared. So यहाँ पे सारे चीज़ों का मैंने तैयारी करके रख दिया है. और यहाँ पे कुकी गर्ल को देखो, सब अपने अपने कामों में लगे हैं, बट शी इज़ रेस्टिंग सो नाइसली. यहाँ पे मैंने अभी सारे मसालों को पकाया है एंड पटेटोज़ और टमाटोज़ डाल के उसे अच्छे से मसाले में पका रही हूँ. देखिए आज मैंने बनाया है अक्खा मसूर राइस एंड पटेटो पुलाव. अक्खा मसूर एंड पटेटो पुलाव कह सकते हो आप. और ये देखिए परफेक्ट. तो आज होने वाला है सिंपल सा लंच. पुलाव के साथ मैंने बनाया है ये रायता. सो दिस इज़ आवर लंच. डांस करते करते सोफ़ी के पैर बहुत दर्द देने लग गए. सो शी आस्क्ड मी टू गिव हर अ मसाज. मैंने कोकोनट ऑयल लेके पैरों को अच्छे से मसाज किया हुआ है. ब्रेक भी हुआ था बिकॉज ऑफ वेकेशन, तो इसलिए शी वॉज नॉट यूज टू द डांस. पर अब आफ्टर द ब्रेक शी इज़ डांस्ड आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, सो इसलिए पैर ज़्यादा दर्द देने लग गए. बिकॉज ऑफ माई प्रेगनेंसी हो नहीं रहा है टू डू थिंग्स एज क्विक एज आई यूज टू. कभी कभी बुरा भी लगता है दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू बी एज फास्ट एज आई वॉज, बट इट्स ओके. इट्स जस्ट अ टेम्पररी फेज. नेक्स्ट मंथ आई एम ड्यू, सो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ अनदर मंथ नाउ टू गो. एंड इसलिए काम थोड़ा धीरे धीरे होता है मेरे से. एंड बस अब लंच करेंगे, बट लंच के पहले मुझे आपको बताना था दैट आई हैड अ नाइस हेड बाथ टुडे. एंड आप लोगों को आई एम नॉट श्योर अगर याद है या नहीं, आई हैव अपलोडेड अ वीडियो वेयर आई हैड एक्सप्लेन्ड इन डिटेल माई कर्ली हेयर रूटीन, व्हाट आई डू, व्हाट प्रोडक्ट्स आई यूज़. सो इन दैट वीडियो मैंने मेंशन किया था अबाउट अ कर्ल अप ब्रांड का हेयर मास्क. सो आई बॉट इट. This is the one, and I thought I'll quickly tell you all how I felt after using it. So this hair mask is basically not the one that I used to use from Mamaearth. So Mamaearth wala hair mask aisa tha that I used to leave it on my hair, just basically wet my hair, apply it on the hair and leave it, and then you wash it off. ये जो hair mask है, it works in such a way where it is like a conditioner. So you shampoo your hair first, and then you apply this hair mask in place of the conditioner, and same way then you rinse it off and all of that. So एक बार इसको use किया था, and I'll quickly share with you all what I felt. So इसको use करने के बाद when I was applying it on my hair, I could feel the smoothness, I could feel that detangling हो रहा है. Generally with conditioner, when I apply the conditioner on my hair, I have to detangle it with the comb, but isse the detangling was happening even from my fingers. So it just showed that it is working on the hair. The smoothness was coming in place and the detangling was also happening. And hair mask use करने के बाद, so I kept it for good 5-10 minutes, and उसको rinse off करने के बाद the basic products that I use for styling. And इसके बाद इसको use करने के बाद my feeling out of this is that it is a good product. Definitely it is supposed to be used in place of the conditioner, so once or twice use करने में it's no harm. It will do what it says it's supposed to do. So curly hair के लिए it is a added bonus as well, where it gives the curls the required moisture and the required strength to manage and maintain the curls. So I liked it. It has good ingredients in it as well, like avocado butter, mango butter, shea butter. All these basically give moisture, strengthens the curls. So this will definitely be one product that I will include in as part of my curly hair routine. So I've not used it now, I've used it earlier, and that's why I thought I will tell you all how the experience was. आज तो मैंने normal conditioner और styling किया है बाल का. So दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. एंड वीकेंड में अच्छे से मतलब बाल वाल धोने का फुर्सत भी मिलता है. सो आई केप्ट माई हेयर वॉश फॉर टुडे, वेयर आई कुड आराम से अप्लाई ऑल द स्टफ एंड पैम्पर एंड टेक केयर ऑफ द हेयर अ लिटिल बिट. ठीक है, मैं आपको मिलती हूँ वेरी सून. वील हैव लंच नाउ, एंड आई मीट यू ऑल वेरी सून. मैं आप लोगों को बताती हूँ व्हाट वी आर गिविंग कुकी एज वेल फॉर लंच. सो दिस इज़ हर फूड स्टोरेज डब्बा. And This is what we are giving her for lunch. So we pour 1 scoop, 1 spoon, and her next bowl is water. So yes, this is her lunch dinner. This is what we give her. It's basically dog food. You're looking at your lunch. You're looking at your lunch getting served. Yeah. Sophie has served you lunch. Okay, she'll give you. Okay, baby. Okay, girl. She's watching Sophie serve her lunch. Cookie. The food is coming to you only. We'll not eat it. Don't worry. Ye dekho how she's going to follow her. Good girl. ये देखो खाना खाने के बाद कुकी गर्ल की हरकतें. Okay guys, so we are done with lunch and honestly we didn't really take an afternoon nap. We were just watching Netflix and lazing around. But now Sophie needs to go for her other class that is scheduled for today. So today she's got her piano class that she is going to go to. Come here. Where are you hiding? Is your bag packed?
No.
Not packed. Okay, so please go and pack it. Fatafat pack and show me once it's packed. Okay, so let her pack her bag. We'll be going out. I'll be...
This bottle?
Which bottle? Want to carry that bottle? Okay, carry. The other one will be heavy, no? So I'll be dropping her and coming home, and I'm going to see you all once she's dropped off at her piano class. And that's going to be for an hour, so she'll be home by around 5. Let's see what we can do in the evening. Baby, your bag is falling. Come on, pack fast and show me. Okay, so I think Sophie's bag is packed. Come here, Sophie girl.
Yeah.
Show me if you've packed everything. Come here, get your bag. Where's your bag? Come here, bring it.
So my books, water bottle, handkerchief, and the new fantasy given me.
Smells so good. What is
Raspberry and vanilla.
So when you go there, please use it the first thing. After touching everything, after that also use it. Okay? And keep drinking water.
Yes.
Don't forget. Alright guys, I'm going to
And also
quickly go
take
and
my
drop her.
mini umbrella.
It's not raining.
What if after class when I come from late?
So I'll come to pick you up now. That time I will check. Okay guys, see you all soon. Sophie, I just realized what's written on your top.
Yes.
What is it?
I love dancing in the rain and it's rainy season.
Very nice, perfect.
So it relates.
It relates, of course. So guys, मैंने आप लोगों को मेरा बालकनी व्यू दिखाया ही नहीं. ये है मेरा बालकनी और ये है बालकनी का व्यू. देखो कितना मस्त नज़ारा है. सो मेरे घर में आई डो नॉट हैव अ विंडो. मेरे पास विंडो नहीं है, ना कोई सनलाइट आता है और ऐसा बाहर का व्यू तो डेफिनेटली नहीं मिलता है. सो दिस इज़ माई नेबर्स हाउस एंड उनका ऐसा डोर है विच फेसेस द रोड. सो वी ऑफन कम हियर. जब भी मन किया टू एक्सपीरियंस अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ द आउटडोर्स, हम यहाँ आ जाते हैं. और ये है मेरा नेबर who is also my brother, Kishore. We call him Kilu. Hello. Kilu, hi bolo sabko. Hi. He's a sweetheart. And ittafaq, the coincidence is he and I, we celebrate our birthdays also on the same day, 16 August. Anyways, तो मैंने सोचा हम बाहर आए हैं तो आप लोगों को मेरा बालकनी का भी व्यू दिखा दूँ और बालकनी क्या है, कहाँ है, वो भी दिखा दूँ. तो बस यही दिखाना था. हाँ, और एक चीज़ गाइज, ये देखो. सो सोफी को स्कूल का एक एक्टिविटी मिला था वेयर शी हैज़ टू ग्रो अ प्लांट इन अ कोकोनट शेल. तो हमारे घर में तो वी डू नॉट हैव विंडो, तो सनलाइट नहीं है एंड प्लांट को बेसिकली रखने का जगह नहीं है. तो यही जगह सबसे बेस्ट था. सो किलू वेरी काइंडली हमारे लिए ये प्लांट रखने वाला है उसके घर पे एंड ही इज़ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ इट ऑल्सो.
एंड देयर इज वन
एक छोटा सा सैपलिंग भी आया है, दैट्स ग्रेट सोफी। और हमने वीट के सीड्स डाले हैं, सो बस अब ये होगा हमारा बेबी। ये जैसे जैसे ग्रो होगा हम आप लोगों को दिखा देंगे इन द फर्दर वीडियोस। बट हाँ, ये एक चीज़ दिखाना था। आई लव प्लांट्स, ग्रीनरी बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है देखने के लिए। प्लांट्स को फ्रेश वाली फीलिंग आती है, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली घर में हम रख ही नहीं पाते क्योंकि हमारे पास कोई सूटेबल जगह ही नहीं है। बट ये हम कर रहे हैं, सो होपफुली दिस ग्रोज वेल एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली शो यू। बस अब हम निकले हैं हमारे मंजिल की ओर एंड बाकी के शाम को हमने क्या किया ये सब मैं आपको ज़रूर मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।